Hello everyone. I am Dr. Khushboo Sandhu from School of Management, Sage University, Bhopal. And today I am here to explain you all about the topic training. Training is the important subsystem of human resource development. We can say that it is a specialized function and one of the fundamental operative function for human resource management. It is a short-term process utilizing a systematic and organized procedure by which non-managerial personnel acquire technical knowledge and skills for a definite purpose. Quality performance from the workforce is the need of every organization to stay in today's competitive business environment. If workers and employees are good and not performing up to the mark, they need to be trained to raise their level of skill, knowledge, and versatility. The complexity of jobs increases the need for training. The advancement in technology, wide use of computerization, and related sophistication has increased the need for training by manyfold. Now, the well known objectives of training are as follows. First objective will be to enlarge knowledge. Training is provided especially for middle and lower level of employees. Training provides all information relating to various aspects of the organization. Hence, they can develop required skill and ability to perform the assigned task successfully. It increases the level of knowledge processed by individuals. Second well known objective is to enlarge skillfulness. Training provides the opportunity for employees to impart new skills systematically so that they can perform the task successfully. The ever changing environmental forces require new and innovative skills and ideas to perform the task. So, training helps employees to get acquainted with new skills and knowledge. Next, to modify the approach of workers. Yes, another objective of training is to bring about change in the attitude of the workers towards their co-workers, supervisor, and the organization because it is very necessary. Furthermore, training helps to develop healthy attitudes in them so that the good working relationships can be developed in the organization. Next objective is to develop executive performance. Training imparts new skills, knowledge, and attitudes in employees so that they can perform organizational objectives better than before. So, with the help of training, they can do the job more effectively and efficiently. And in this way, the overall performance of the organization will improve. Next objective is to make workers for proficient use of assets. When the employees are trained and they get additional skills, knowledge, and techniques of handling resources, this helps them to utilize machines, tools, equipments, and other organizational resources very efficiently and effectively. So, in this way, workers makes proficient use of assets. Now, the next objective is to decrease accidents. Obviously, employees can be provided with safety training measures to reduce sudden accidents. And when the workers are known with the technique of handling new and sophisticated technologies, the chances of occurring accidents will be minimized. Next objective is to offer enhanced prospects for workers. Actually, training is a learning process which provides various opportunities to employees to develop the existing level of skills, knowledge, attitudes, and behavioral relations. The improvement in job performance provides an opportunity for growth and advancement. Due to such training, employees get an opportunity for doing challenging work, work experience, and promotion. And the last is to enlarge efficiency and earnings. Now, productivity measures an efficient relationship between input and output. The training aims to increase organizational productivity by increasing output with the limited input. Training increases the efficiency and effectiveness of employees, which reduce the absenteeism, labor turnover, operating cost, and wastage. This ultimately leads to high productivity, thereby earning more profit. Thank you.